Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Wise platform login problems, verification errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login problems on the Wise platform related to verification errors, follow these steps to resolve the issue. First, ensure you are using the correct email address and password. Double-check for any typos or accidental spaces in your login credentials. If you're unsure about your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. This will prompt you to enter your email address for a password reset. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. Once you have reset your password, attempt to log in again with the new credentials. If you still encounter verification errors, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can lead to login issues. Consider switching to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This step can resolve potential conflicts that may hinder your login process. To do this, go to your browser settings and look for the Privacy or History section. Select the option to clear browsing data, ensuring cookies and cached files are checked. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and try logging in again. If the issue persists, try using a different browser or device. Sometimes, specific browsers or devices may have compatibility issues with the site. You can also check for any pending updates for your browser and install them. If the verification errors continue, verify your identity through the Wise platform. Sometimes, additional identity verification is required during the login process. Follow the prompts to upload any necessary identification documents. After submitting the required information, wait for confirmation from Wise. If none of these steps resolve the problem, contact Wise customer support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error message you're encountering. This will help them diagnose the issue more effectively. Make sure to include the steps you have already taken to resolve the problem. In most cases, they will guide you through any additional troubleshooting steps needed. By following these instructions, you should be able to fix verification errors and regain access to your Wise account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.